Did you get this all figured out in here or what?
I mean, it's figured out. A couple things fell. We're good.
And I said there's no
What are you asking?
Can I run stock with my stock bike?
That ain't stock.
A little bit.
Is that stock?
Hell yeah. That's me. Don't start. It's a stock rider.
Looks beautiful.
I need a beer now.
Yeah, I leave them hypnotized. Give a fuck about where you're talking, need to sabotage. Yeah, I know you talking about it, you talking about the ties. I can't fuck with niggas, don't know how to monetize. I said, yeah, gotta sabotage. You don't understand this shit, you just speaking lies. You can't comprehend this shit, no, you can't monetize. You can't monetize, so I had to sabotage. All you do is talk about it, but you not about it. Never thought about it. Yeah, I'm all about it. All you do is talk about it. But you not about it. Never thought about it. Yeah, I'm all about it. All you do is talk about it. Not
Some marshmallows?
thought about it. I'm all about it. All you do is talk about it. But you not about it. Never thought about it. Yeah, I'm all about it.
Hey, baby. Over here? Everywhere.
Yeah, there.
good.
never see no evil, speak no evil. Find myself speaking in ghosts a bit more often now. Devils die too, Lucifer bound for the ground. Get some money, watch a man and screeching down. Lit up my cigarette, another accident. Fuck anybody that thinks I'm the same. Fuck anybody that want me to change. Don't wanna change yourself. That's why my Glock's on the dresser. If I'm keeping it real, I'm never ever lagging. Motherfuckers know slick, ain't never ever say. Whether shotguns on the 9mm, they be know it's screaming, keeping the heater. Nonetheless, got my people up my ass, worried I'ma blow my brains on the glass. I smoke a cigarette alive, candles call the pies black. And sometimes I get violent, silent, the fuck I'm supposed to do. But cutthroat always the problem, that's why cutthroats with the sharp blade though. Got my Fago on Easter, Sandra said ball like the Lakers. DNS3 pipe up, what it be, they know they scared of it. Suicide dead boss, keep it dry with me. G5, I don't give a fuck, boy. Don't give a fuck, boy. Don't give a fuck, boy.
Come up to me, we'll talk about the boys. We'll celebrate today. Today's about celebrating the lives of two legends. Before we start sharing stories, I would like everybody to bow their head for 10 seconds. Remember.